Students at a Rockford Academy will put on their thinking caps tonight, learning about teamwork and engineering.
The STEAM Academy Maker Expo will have the students work in several teams and use their engineering skills and topics they learned all year to research, plan, and build. The projects will range from a volcano to roller coasters. Students will also explain their projects and answer questions from attendees. The expo will start at 6 tonight. STEM Academy will be the site at Haskell School. That's at 515 Maple Street.
Such a wide range that their own creativity and their own expression are the winners. A lot of students this year saying they're really looking forward to continuing on in engineering, continuing on in building, absolutely.